Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViews Help. And today we are doing another Python tutorial. And this one we're going to get into list. Now as far as this goes, I know we didn't jump in and still haven't written a program, but we still have to cover these basic things because anyone from any skill level could come to this. And because of that, if you need a review on what we covered in the past, then feel free to check out the card above and that'll take you to the previous video. However, if you know about this and just want to skip ahead, feel free to do so and check out the card above. Now we'll let you go to the next video. If that video is not out, then the card will not be there. Keep in mind these videos come out once or twice a week depending on my schedule. So list, let's jump on into this. It's a pretty straightforward thing. To make a list, use the square brackets, and as you can see here, we can do a list like a string. We don't have to assign it to a variable, but it's a one-time use type of thing. If we assign it to a variable, we can recall it later, modify it, and a few other things. One thing to note is we cannot add integers to the list, but we can add another list to our current list. So with this is a pretty good example where list, which equals 1, 2, 3, and then we plus and 4, 5, and you can see here it works. Now, if we want to add a single thing to the list, we can do so by the append body, and right here, as you see here, it just added 6. But if we go down to extend, we can do the extend and add a couple things to the list. Now, if we did the append for this, adding a couple of things to the list, the problem that we'll run into is a thing like this where it will add a list inside of a list. Because of this, we got to know how to remove things, either one or multiple things, and right here we can do list.remove or whatever you call the variable for the list.remove, and then put in whatever you want to remove and it will remove it as seen there. And from here we if that is not there, then you'll get the following error, and it just basically says that it cannot find it. So that's a thing to note. But anyways, as far as that goes, that's pretty much about it I'm going to cover in this video. There's a few other things dealing with the list that I didn't cover yet, but so it doesn't overload anyone and they can just review this as many times as they need. I figure that's all that needs to be covered in this particular video. Obviously, when we get into coding, we're going to get a little bit more advanced into this, so keep that one in mind. But if you do have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.